Hello guys, this is Rahul from Rahul Automation Studio. Today I'm going to explain you about the Katalon Studio, what different solution Katalon Studio provides, and what are different featured Katalon products are there. So Katalon Studio is basically a single tool for the multiple purposes. So in today's market, we need a one tool where we can perform all different types of testing. So Katalon Studio is a best tool for that. So it supports basically for web testing. So it gives a robust solution for end-to-end web testing where we can write our smoke, sanity or regression test cases. It also supports for the APIs testing. You can automate your APIs as well. Mobile testings also. Suppose you are opening the web application in your browser and the many users will be opening the same application in the mobile browser as well. So that we call as a mobile web. So you can write your automation test cases for the mobile web as well. And you can write and automate your test cases for the iOS and Android applications as well. Desktop applications also you can automate with your Katalon Studio. So like QTP used basically for the desktop applications, or you can write the test cases with the Katalon Studio as well for the desktop applications. Integrations. So as we work in Agile methodology, so in the Agile environment, so we need our automation script to be ready with the software development. So like the software development goes in the progress, our automation scripts also goes with the development. Whatever required changes in the script or whatever the new automation script we have to write with the agile changes, it should have to be go and part of our DevOps activities. So for that purpose, it provides and support different integrations and the plugins are there for that. So you can use Jenkins, Bamboo, and Azure DevOps. So different plugins it supports for the integration purposes. So where you can schedule your automation test cases when the deployment is going on different stages and the environments with the CI/CD activities. Methodologies. So when writing our automation scripts, so there are the automation framework that we can, or the approach we can follow. So the data driven approach also we can follow. It also supports the behavior driven approach, BDD framework like we say, and it also supports for the cross browser testing as well. So once you write your one test case, so same test case you can run in the different browsers. You can run your test case in Chrome, in I, or in Edge, or in other different browsers. So that we call as a cross browser testing. And Katalon Studio further supports even more than that. So what are the different feature products Katalon Studio provides to you? So Katalon Studio, basically first tool is Katalon Studio itself. So it is a productive ID for the test case generation. So you can write the test cases in the Katalon Studio, and it is basically a scriptless code. And every beginner who is a manual tester and want to jump in automation, so he can also start writing the automation test cases from the beginning in Katalon Studio. It will be need very less scripting in that. And also it supports for the cross-platform execution as well. So once you are writing your script, you can definitely execute in the different browsers. So next product it gives like Katalon Studio Enterprise. So this is an advanced version of the Katalon Studio, which is having more feature than the Katalon Studio, and it provides and support for a large project or for a scalable solution for the businesses for any size. So it is basically an advanced and more featured product. So next is Katalon Runtime Engine. So once we have completed our automation test cases, we need to be execute the test cases maybe in the runtime, like in the night or in the different time, different working hours time. So at that time, we just need to schedule our test cases. So for that, it provides a Katalon runtime engine. We have we can schedule and execute our automated test cases in the CI/CD pipeline. So for the CI/CD pipelines plugins, if we see, there are Jenkins, Dempo, Azure DevOps. So there are different plugins and tools which we can use for the CI/CD purpose. And Catalog runtime engine provides a support and to execute it. Or you can execute your automation test cases via the command line interface as well. Catalog testo. So once your test cases are executed, so you need proper reporting and the test analysis of your reports. So for that, Katalon Studio provides you a Katalon test of feature where you can manage your reports, you can analyze your reports in the different way, and you can send your reports to the manager and the management as well. Katalon Recorder is our new Katalon featured product. So in Katalon Recorder is basically an alternative for the Selenium IDE. So as a beginner, you don't know how to write your script. You don't know what action you need to write for a particular Excel. So you can simply just record your automation actions in that. So you can write your test cases with the Catalan recorder, and you can record your all the automating actions in that. Catalan framework. So we have, maybe we require some applications will be there, like where we need to write some complex logic in that, and it will be required the Selenium framework or the Selenium logic or the TestNG. So for that purpose, Katalon has given Catalan framework. So it is a framework that provides a blueprint for test automation project based on TestNG and Selenium. So we can write our Selenium as well as TestNG code in that, where we think we have to be right and it is a complex logic. So we can import even Selenium code in Catalan framework as well. And the Catalan Studio supports the language is Groovy and the Java. So we can write the code in Java as well as in Groovy language. Okay, so the next is continuous testing. So as everyone works in Agile and waterfall, not in the waterfall model. So with the Agile, we always to be as a continuous. So continuous integration with the continuous delivery. So how we can achieve that with in the Katalon Studio? As Katalon Studio provides a support for the different plugins, so which we use and which we require in our achieving the continuous testing. So the test management. Firstly, it is a test management. So test management is that where requirement from the user stories comes, and we write our manual test cases. So for that purpose, we always need a tool, so that we use as a Jira, as a Q test or a rail test. So that kind of tools and plugins also you can integrate with your Catalan Studio, and you can do the mapping over here. So once you have completed your manual activities like writing, understanding the scope and writing the manual test cases, so you can write your automation test cases in the Catalan Studio. So once you are writing your test cases in the Catalan Studio, you need to be uh, one repository. You need to be one repository where you can all the developers like who is writing the automation test cases can integrate your code. So we need a source control for that. So it is a common repository where all the automation tester will pull their code. So for that purpose, we can use GitHub or a Teams or some other repository. So it provides a plugin for that also that you can use, and you can push your all the automation scripts there. After that, we need as a CI/CD. So suppose in the software development, the code is migrating from one staging to another stage, one environment to another environment. So maybe like in that case, we need to execute our automation script in the same environment. So for that purpose, we can schedule and execute our test cases with the help of Jenkins, Bamboo, Azure DevOps. So it also provides a support for the CI/CD. And who helps in that? It in that Katalon runtime engine helps to achieve that. And now we have talked about the cross-browser web testing. So we can run the test cases in our local machine, or maybe we need to require to execute our script in a remote machine, or maybe we need to require to run our script in a cloud where are our different browser spots. So for that purpose, we can use cloud services as well, and we can run our scripts in the cloud services. So like browser stack is there, source lab is there. So these are the services which gives us different browsers, different like browser versions on the different platform like Windows, Linux, or some other operating systems. So we can run our same script across multiple browsers on the cloud services as well. So once our execution is complete, as I told, we need our test reports and the test analysis so that we can achieve with the help of Katalon test tabs. So there will be proper report, and you can analyze, you can find out the bugs, passing, failure, and proper analysis of the complete test suite execution, that you can share the result with your manager and the managements. So we can achieve particularly continuous testing with the Katalon Studio, as it supports all different types of plugins. Thank you guys. So my next video will be how to install and set up Katalon Studio in your system. If you like my videos, please like and share with your friends and colleagues. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.